So the diagram shows a square and an equilateral triangle. Well, straight away, equilateral triangle. That tells us that all the sides are the same, so therefore all the angles must be the same. We know that angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees, so therefore that tells us that each angle is 180 divided by 3, which comes out at 60. So we know that all of these are 60. Now the next thing to do is to look at this. So we've already got part of this angle, but we want this whole thing. So the next thing to do is we take this right angle. And we know it's a right angle because it's a square. So this is a right angle, and therefore we know that this side and this side are the same because the sides in a square are the same. So therefore we've now got an isosceles triangle. So we know that 180 take away 90, because that's what this right angle is, gives us 90, which is the total of these two angles here. And we know they are the same because it's an isosceles triangle. So we do 90 divided by 2, which gives us 45 degrees per angle. So that's 45 and that is 45. Therefore, to get the size of angle EBC, so this whole thing here, we do 60 plus 45, which gives us 105 degrees.